I'm back with another What Sold video. This is from the last week of March, so March 28th through April 1st. I will share with you 15 of my most interesting sales. Now, this is not everything that I sold that week, and it's not even the most profitable items, but they are items that I think you can find out and about at your thrift stores and garage sales. My name is Sandra. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and mercari, as well as Amazon. As a reseller, I purchase undervalued items and flip them for a profit online. Without further ado, let's get into what sold on eBay, Facebook, Poshmark, and mercari. Okay, so we'll start over on Facebook this time. I sold this WWE Championship belt. I paid $3 for it at Goodwill. It sold for $36 and the buyer did pay $9.25 shipping. So my profit on this toy belt, $33. The next item is a Metallica t-shirt. I picked this up for my son, but it did not fit him, so I went ahead and sold it. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold for $15 on Facebook, and the buyer did pay shipping of $5.75. So my profit on this t-shirt, $10.13. Here's another t-shirt, this one Golden Girls. I've sold several of these. I paid 50 cents for this at a thrift store. It sold for $14 and the buyer did pay $5.75 shipping on Facebook. After the fees and my cost of goods sold, my profit, $12.44. So keep your eye open for these Golden Girls t-shirts. This one says, "Stay Golden." Looking at the keywords, I added them all. Golden Girls t-shirt. I also put T-shirt. It's a size large, 42-44, short sleeve, stay golden, and then graphic. In case someone is looking for a graphic t-shirt. Next up is another t-shirt, this one Off the Wall Vans, a plus size 2X. I paid $1 for this at a thrift store. It sold for my full asking price of $24 and the buyer did pay $5.75 shipping, so my profit, $21.51. As you may know, the fees on Facebook are lower than any other platform. My fees for this sale was just $1.49. Next, we'll hop over to mercari. I sold this pair of BKE Stella denim jeans. I included this one to highlight in this What Sold video, as I know many people are aware that the BKE jeans for men sell well, but you do want to keep your eye out for this Stella style for women. This sold within 3 days of listing for $36. I paid $4.25 for this, so my profit, $26.81. Looking at these keywords, I've included BKE, buckle, Stella, flare. It's 27L, which is also 27 long. I included the measurements as well as denim jeans, embellished, and bling, as the back does have some bling. The next item on mercari is an Affliction long sleeve t-shirt. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold for my full asking price of $48 within 3 days of listing. So my profit, $37.76. Affliction is always a great brand to pick up. And this one is also embellished with rhinestones, and it has a design on the back. And the last time on mercari, I've sold several of these Halo baby sleepers as well. This one I paid $2 for at Goodwill. It sold for $15 on mercari, so my profit, $10.76. I pick these up quite often at Goodwill. Some of them are new in the package. This one was not, but it still sold for $15. So keep your eye open for these baby blankets. At least at my Goodwill and thrift stores, the baby items are cheaper than the adult size clothing. Next, we'll hop over to eBay. I sold this Sims hooded long sleeve shirt for women. Sims is a fishing brand, so keep your eye out for that. It's Sims with 2 M's. I paid $3.50 for this. It took about 3 months to sell. I did have a price tag at $42. However, an offer came in of $20 and the buyer did pay shipping of $7. So my profit when it was all said and done, $16.12. I went ahead and accepted the $20 offer as it had been listed for 3 months. As you can see here, the inner tag did look well worn, so I was happy to sell it for the $20. The next item is a new with tag item. It's a suit jacket, plus size for men, 2X. I paid $4.25 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 weeks of listing. The buyer sent me an offer of $54.92, and he did pay shipping of $12. Here is the new with tag. I tend to pick up anything and everything that is new with tag as I can sell it fairly well. This was right around the time prom was going on, so I thought it would be a quick sell. And it was. My profit, $44.33. Next up is a soap, shampoo, and conditioner lot. Travel size of some various hotel soaps that I have collected over the recent months. I've sold quite a few of these lots. It's just, you may or may not know, hotels are now going with the soap and conditioner within the shower and not handing out these bottles. It's a recycle thing. I sold this for $18.53. It's a huge lot. It sold on my clearance sale, 40% off. The buyer did pay $14 shipping. My cost to actually ship it was just $8.20 as they all fit in a padded flat rate mailer. So I did make some money on the shipping charge. My profit, when it was all said and done, $20.10. So keep your eye open for these travel size soaps when you stay at a hotel, and I often ask for extra. The next item that sold on eBay is a Michigan Wolverines jersey. It's hooded for women. I paid $4.25 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 10 days of listing for $20, and the buyer did pay $11 shipping. My profit, $16.44. Collegiate items do sell well on eBay. I'm not going to say pick up anything and everything from every college, but I knew that this was a hockey jersey with the lace-up collar, and Michigan is a pretty popular school, so I thought I would give it a shot. Next up is a new with tag Minnesota Golden Gophers baseball cap. I paid $1 for this at Goodwill. Like I said, I do like to pick up anything and everything that is new with tags. This took a while to sell, but it did finally sell for $20.88, and the buyer did pay $7 shipping. So my profit on this $1 baseball cap, $23.46. And the last item on eBay is a rally rain suit. I thought this would sell for more money than it did, but it had been listed going on 8 months. I paid $5.25 for the jacket at a Goodwill store. I finally accepted a best offer of $17.93. However, the buyer did pay $37 to have it shipped internationally. My actual shipping charge was $25 through the eBay Global Shipping Program, so I did make some money on the shipping charge. My profit, $17.54. I probably would not pick up this rally rain suit. Again, I thought I would give it a try, but it just didn't sell quickly, and it really didn't sell for that much money. Next, we'll hop over to Poshmark. I have 2 sales over there. This is a Christmas t-shirt with cats on it. It sold in March. So I paid $1 for this at a thrift store. It sold for $10, so my profit $6.05. I do list seasonal items year-round, and as you can see, this one sold after Christmas. And the last item on Poshmark is a Panhandle Slim. It's a Western shirt. It does have the pearl snap front. I paid $3.75 for this at Goodwill. It sold within 2 months for $25. My profit, $16.25. So I do pick up these pearl snap Western shirts for both men and women. Looking at these keywords, I included Panhandle Slim, which is the brand. The tag also said rough stock. It's a size medium. It has black pearl snaps. I included the word shirt, Western, cowboy, and men's. I just shared with you 15 of the items that I sold the last week of March this year. As you noticed, I sold one Christmas item and several graphic t-shirts. These are items that you can find locally at your thrift stores and garage sales, so keep an eye out and let's get thrifting. Leave a comment below and let me know what your favorite flip was. If you learned anything from today's video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And many of you that are watching have not yet subscribed, so go ahead and do me a favor and click that subscribe button. I will link another what sold video here. Continue watching.